Hello and welcome to Split Text at Character. My name's Jeff, I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. In this short video, we're gonna look at 4 ways to split text at a specific character. Text to columns, flash fill, formulas, and Power Query. Let's get to it. Exercise 1. In this first exercise, we're going to use text to columns, which has been around in Excel for literally decades. And it can work well if you don't need to retain the original column. So here's how it works. Select our range, go to Data, Text to Columns. It's a delimited list, so we click Next. It's not a tab delimiter, and we just specify the @ symbol and click Next and Finish. And now we've got it. So as you can see, we don't have our original data preserved, which could be fine, so it just depends on what you're working on. Now, if you'd like to preserve the original column, then we can use some other techniques. Let's check out the next exercise. Exercise 2. Here we're going to use flash fill. And basically what we do is we provide a sample. For example, we'd say we want John.doe. And then we can just go to the Data tab and hit the flash fill command. And there we've got it. And then we can go with example.com and hit the flash fill command, and now we've got it. And this is great for static values and for lists that are not dynamic or changing. If our lists are changing and we want a more dynamic solution, that's going to bring us to the next exercise. Exercise 3. Here we can use a formula. In this example, we're going to use 2 functions, text before and text after. Here's what it looks like. Equals text before, and this is the text, and the delimiter is at and enter. And now we can just fill it down. We can also use text after to get the text after the delimiter. So here's the text we want. The delimiter is at, enclosed in quotes, close function, enter, and now we can fill it down. And our last example is going to talk about my favorite way, which is Power Query. Exercise 4. Here are data stored in a table, and if yours isn't, you can simply hit Insert Table or the Control key shortcut. And then we go to the Data tab, and then we use the From Table Range command. This opens the Power Query editor and provides a preview of our data. So what we want to do is click Add Column because we want to create a new column. And then we want to extract text before the delimiter. And we simply define the delimiter and click OK. And now we also want to add a column, and we want to get the text after a delimiter, and we define the delimiter. Now that our data looks good, we can simply close and load to a table in an existing worksheet. This cell is fine, and we click OK. And now we've got it. And what's nice is, as this original table changes or has new records, all we need to do is right-click and click Refresh, and Power Query will update the results table. I hope these 4 ways to split text at a given character will be helpful. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. Hey Excel user, if you ever need to create summary reports, check out my Pivot Table for Beginners video. It starts at the beginning and shows how to store the data transactions in a table, and then how to summarize those transactions with a pivot table report. I hope it helps unlock the incredible power of pivot tables.
This video is a production of Excel University.